Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove background video using canva.com. Okay, we are going to start. Go to canvas.com and log in. I'm gonna come create a design. I'm gonna go for video. From here I'm gonna upload one of my videos. As you can see here, I'm gonna put the
C'est
video.
la conclusion.
I'm gonna do it like this. From here I'm going to click edit video. Okay, and I'm gonna click background remover. You can see it's busy doing it. Just gonna wait. Busy. You can finish. Then I still processing it. And you can see it's finished. I got a background that are done, completely gone, as you can see here. All right. See, I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. Ciao.